Lihu?
Okorua,
From where?
Edo State.
Okay, tell us why you are here. You know you are a VIP, so I won't ask you too many questions.
Okay, I made a video about e-money, and I said a lot of things in that video that wasn't true. That's the reason why I'm here.
What was it you said that wasn't true?
Okay, I said something regarding a video I saw online about a woman saying e-money is responsible for everything that has taken place in regard of Junior Pope's matter. So I said something similar to it, and I also said e-money is having an affair with Junior Pope's wife.
So have you met e-money before?
I've never in my life, man.
You've never in your life? Then what gave you the courage? Why did you do it?
Okay, I made that video out of trying to grow my page.